You may be wondering why we have a B9 S5 on the lift this week when we already have a system available for it. This vehicle specifically has a chassis brace with a sport diff option. That is not a very common option to get in the UK, so we've brought one here in the US so that we can re-engineer our system to make it all work. Let's go make it happen. Got the factory catback removed. Started installing the front half of our system here. It will be exactly the same no matter what version you get, really. We'll still have the resonated and non-resonated versions. We're putting the non-resonated version on this because we want a little more noise out of it. Just got this tacked up here. As you can see, we've kept the true dual design of the original system. With the brace bars in here and the sport diff, it gets pretty tight in here. So we had to take and do a small little dip underneath the pump here on the sport diff. You know, we didn't want to change the sound of the original system. We really liked it. So this allows us to keep that original sound and allow the clearance needed for everything.